If Premiere Pro's crashed and you're worried your project is gone, don't panic. In most cases, you can recover your work using Premiere Pro's Autosave files or backup versions. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find those files, open the most recent save version, and check Creative Cloud backups if you have them enabled. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick editing fixes and Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials. Let's start with the most important thing to know. Premiere Pro usually creates backup versions of your project separately from your main project file. That means even if the app closes unexpectedly, there's often a copy of your work waiting for you. First, go to the folder where your original Premiere Pro project was saved. On both Windows and Mac, Premiere Pro usually creates a folder called Adobe Premiere Pro Autosave in the same directory as your .pr project file. So if you remember where the project was stored, open that folder location on your computer. Once you're inside that project folder, look for the Adobe Premiere Pro Autosave folder and open it. Inside, you'll see multiple Autosave project files. These are normally arranged by date and time, so the newest one is usually the one you want. Now, pay close attention to the timestamps. Look for the file with the most recent date and timestamp, because that should contain your latest saved progress before the crash. If that newest Autosave file opens but looks corrupted or incomplete, don't worry. Just go back one version and try the next file in chronological order until you find the most reliable one. When you find the file you want, open it in Premiere Pro just like a normal project. From there, immediately save it as a new project file so you don't overwrite your recovery version. This gives you a clean copy to keep working from. If you don't remember where the project was originally saved, there's another easy way to track it down. Open Premiere Pro and go to File, then Open Recent. This shows your last active projects and can help you identify the path of the project you were working on before the crash. Once you locate the recent project entry, use that path to find the folder on your computer. After that, open the Autosave folder inside the same location and check the available backup files exactly the same way. Now, there's one more recovery option worth checking. If you had the Save Backup Project to Creative Cloud setting enabled, you may also have cloud-based backup versions available. This can be especially helpful if your local Autosave files are missing or damaged. To check that, sign into your Creative Cloud desktop app or open the Creative Cloud website. Look for your stored project backups or recent files and see whether Premiere Pro saved a recoverable version there. If you find one, download or open it so you can continue editing from that backup. A quick tip here, once you recover your project, make a new save right away under a different file name. That way, if anything else goes wrong, you'll still have the recovered version safely preserved. Also, if you're working on important projects regularly, it's a good idea to create your own habit of manually saving versions as you edit. Even though Autosave is incredibly useful, having multiple backup copies gives you extra protection. So to recap, the recovery process is simple. First, check the Adobe Premiere Pro Autosave folder next to your original project. Second, use File and Open Recent if you're not sure where the project was stored. And third, check Creative Cloud backups if that option was enabled on your account. If this helped you get your project back, please hit the like button so more editors can find this guide, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro fixes, beginner tutorials, and workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.